In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a picture a circle or other shape in Google Slides. First, open up your Google Slides presentation and go to the slide where you want to edit your image. If you don't already have a picture on the slide, go ahead and insert one. You can do this by going to the Insert menu, choosing Image, and then selecting where you want to upload it from, like your computer, Google Drive, or the web. Once the picture appears on the slide, click on it so that it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue handles around the edges. With the image selected, look at the toolbar at the top of the screen. You should see an icon that looks like a little mask or a cropped shape. This is the Crop Image button. Right next to it, there's a small arrow that opens more options. Click that small arrow to open the Shape Crop menu. This is where the magic happens. When you click that arrow, you'll see a range of shapes you can crop your picture into. There are basic shapes, arrows, callouts, and equation shapes. To turn your picture into a perfect circle, go to the Shape section and choose the oval shape. Don't worry that it says OP oval. Once you adjust it, you can make it a perfect circle. After you select the oval, your image will instantly change into that shape. You'll still see black handles on the edges of the image. If the shape is stretched or looks more like an oval, click and drag a corner handle while holding down the Shift key on your keyboard. This keeps the proportions equal and turns it into a perfect circle. If you need to adjust which part of the picture shows inside the circle or shape, double-click on the image. You'll see the crop box appear. Now you can drag the image around inside the shape or resize the crop box to get the exact framing you want. When you're happy with how it looks, click outside the image to apply the crop. You can repeat this same process with any other shape in the menu, like rounded rectangles, stars, or arrows. Just select your image, choose the shape from the crop options, adjust the size, and reposition the picture inside the shape. Once you're done, you'll have a clean, polished image in the exact shape you want, ready to use in your presentation.